Coursera Plus coupon code. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on Coursera Plus coupon code. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. I will show you the most recent and Coursera Plus coupon code. So, go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar, search for cutt.ly/Coursera-coupon. Now, as you can see here, you'll be able to get up to 40% off on Coursera Plus and can grab the opportunity to expand your career horizons. Nurture your career with job-ready skills and watch it grow. With Coursera Plus, you will unlock unlimited access to over 7,000 learning programs from industry leaders like Microsoft, Google, IBM, Vanderbilt, and more. For a limited time, you can access Coursera Plus for only $20 a month, billed annually. That's 40% in savings. Simply tap on the Claim Your Offer button and sign in or sign up to the Coursera account and follow the on-screen prompts to claim your offer further. So, this was about Coursera Plus coupon code. If you found the video helpful, smash that like button, comment if you have any queries, and be sure to subscribe to our channel Login Shines for similar helpful tutorials. See you on the next one.